What's going on, guys? Chase on Two Wheels here, and I got Brian and I got Luke behind me. We are not in the garage. Today we got a special thing going on. Turbo Ant, a company that makes scooters, reached out and asked us to test a Turbo Ant X7. So we could have done this on the city streets and done a whole follow car situation, but we were kind of worried that would be a little boring. So what we did is find a open parking lot. We set up a scooter cross track. We set up a scooter cross track, and today we will be doing a best of 3-lap time. The winner gets bragging rights in the garage, which is very valuable for us because we talk a lot of shit. So in today's video, 3 laps, there's a 2-second cone penalty if you hit a cone, and that's about it. I hope none of us get hurt, and we're gonna get this thing started. We got a drone, we got everything. Let's go get it. Oh God. So guys, the vehicle for today is going to be the X7 from Turbo Ant. This is a folding electric scooter, pretty similar to those bird scooters you see around popular cities, except you can actually buy this one. So powering this little scooter, you're going to have a 350 watt motor that's actually inside the front tire. It's got a top speed of 20 miles per hour supposedly, and 3 different speed modes. This thing's going to be rolling on 8.5 inch large tubeless tires. I will note, we actually put a tube in our rear tire, so we've got a slightly modified unit. Now, as far as range and capacity, this thing can go up to 16 miles of range, though we have not tested that, but that should be plenty of range to make it through our course many times today. It's also got a max load of 275 pounds, and you can get this thing for $450 on Turbo Ant's website, or you can get it on Amazon for $470 is what it looks like right now. I'll have links if you guys want to check it out down below. But enough about stats, that's what we're rolling on. Let's get to the races. Alright guys, this is the track our racers will be riding today. As you can see, it starts them out with a long straight that's really going to be pushing that top speed. It's going to throw them into a hard right and then throw them back into a left to get them back on track. They're then going to have 2 or 3 big turns, and then they're going to come into the U spot of the track with the hard left. After they navigate that hard left, they're going to have 2 more rights to get through. Then we go into the slaloms. Once our racers get through the slalom course, they will lead out at a high speed straight into the finish line. Racers, best of luck.
Player 1, Brian.
Good?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! 136.36.
Official time for Brian.
Next player. Player 2, Luke.
Luke, I'm glad you got some protection there.
Oh, this helmet?
Oh yeah.
This thing is like pure carbon fiber and it's like very comfortable.
Did you choose that helmet so you'd have the best chance and the lightest weight?
Absolutely. So this is a Ruroc Atlas.
Oh man, thank God, safety by Ruroc on this video.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's got a incognito Bluetooth system.
Look at you. All right.
Race ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hot lap.
Take your victory lap, buddy.
What's the official time?
129 and 71 tenths.
Dude.
Almost high-sided twice, worth it.
Next player. Player 3, Chase.
Now I told my wife when we were gonna come do this stupid thing that I'm gonna be as safe as possible. There's only one way to be as safe as possible. Shout out to the security guard for letting us continue doing what we're doing. Otherwise, we wouldn't have known my amazing time. So, shout out. Okay. Just so you guys know, the scooter has not overheated. We've done 6 laps and we've only lost 1 bar. So, you know, speaking to the scooter's integrity.
Film crew ready? Timer ready? Racer ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go! 127.58.
Winner.
127. That is right. Victory lap. Hold on.
Okay, so for all you guys out there, the times were a 1:38 for me with a 2-second penalty, a 1:29.71 for Luke with 0 penalties, and a 1:29.58 for Chase, including a 2-second penalty. Chase is our champion for the scooter races. Wait! We have a timing issue. We may have to go to the camera.
Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, no, no. It's official.
I
It's
request a
official.
challenge. Challenge.
Challenge what? I beat you by 2 seconds.
This has all the evidence. If you won, then you won.
All right. Why is there a challenge?
Penalty!
Oh no! A 2-second penalty.
And I beat you by 2 seconds. But I don't remember what the millisecond was.
So we're down to milliseconds now.
We're down to milliseconds.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, my victory was short-lived. It looks like we're down to a photo finish, so I'm glad we have this camera. We will have to finish this video in the garage when we can photo finish the exact times plus the 2-second penalty that I had. Congratulations on not getting a penalty.
Very solid run.
Solid loser. Way to go.
We will see you guys in the garage for the finalization of this video.
What's going on, guys? It's the next day. We have done super scientific methods to make sure we got this by the frame as accurate as possible.
Okay, so my time was not really involved in the closeness of these two guys, so we're not even going to mention that, but I do have results written down here.
Don't look at the. I see you trying to look at the results. Cheating.
Okay, so Chase's time.
Oh, he's starting with me.
Uh-oh, what does that mean?
No,
What does that mean?
Don't you take this from me. Don't take it from me.
Chase's actual time was 1 minute 27.00 seconds. But he did have a cone penalty, which is 2 seconds, and that makes his official time a 1:29.00.
Okay.
Now, Luke had a flawless run with 0 penalties. So Luke's actual time is his final time at 1 minute 29.17 seconds. So by 17 hundredths of a second, Chase is our champion.
That's arrow. I wasn't wearing full leather. That was all arrow.
I
know
told
that
you
was
to
arrow.
get up.
It was
I
that-
told you to get up.
2.17 seconds
It
of
was that
arrow.
one bobble where you almost got huffed off that scrubbed off so much speed that you lost it right there. Trying to push the envelope, but
Yep.
it stole it from you.
Turbo Ant, thank you for the X7 and allowing us to do this absolutely ridiculous video that actually ended up being way more fun than we expected. Info down below if you guys want to check the scooter out, or if you guys buy this and make your own scooter race, please send us a video.
Yes.
That would be so hilarious.
Absolutely.
A scooter and some Walmart cones and some buddies, swear to God, best afternoon you can have. Okay, so I get bragging rights until the next race. Whatever, we don't know what the next race is going to be, but if you got to this point in the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for motorcycle content. I mean, maybe scooter content, who the hell knows. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Chicken dinner, baby. Woo!
Good job.
Woo!
Good job.
All right, so.